Alright, we're here today with Joey Rivera and Rodrigo Farias. We already went to 3 fucking stores trying to find the magical fucking Rubik's Cube. Now we're heading for a real mission right now, aren't we, Rodrigo?
Yes,
hey,
we
are. What did you steal with Carol?
What did you steal with her?
Nothing, you stupid asshole. We're on TV.
Not saying what you steal.
Nothing. So we're about to head to Tampa and Victory right now. So let's begin.
Okay. Filming the whole thing?
Yeah, why not? Hey, take it like this. You never know.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, that's best. Let's find the cube before the Decepticons.
So right now we're barely at Reseda and Hart.
You guys need to keep up. You guys are so slow.
See about that, Joey. We don't care. We're faster than you either way. You could go home. Well, we could go to CVS.
Why are we filming this?
Why not?
Waste the battery? Waste the memory? Waste of my time? Go.
Pendejo.
You see that, guys? That's a troll. That's a fucking troll.
It's completely dark. We can't really see shit right now, but we're at
Don't bring out the spot, homie.
where's that some spot?
Try to do this. Do any trick. Hold on to these 2 poles and do any trick.
And we'll be back. Fool.
What? We wasted all the memory. I told you should have.
So we're here with Rodrigo. Finally fucking found the Rubik's Cube he's been looking for, the magical cube
Yes.
of unknown mysteries. How do you feel?
I'm pretty excited.
Earlier
That's my boo-boo.
earlier today, dumbass Joey fell in front of 12 girls.
Yeah, that was hilarious.
It was pretty funny.
Yes.
And they don't have the king size.
So I finally found it.
After fucking 30 minutes
Yeah.
traveling, went to 3 different CVS's, Walgreens, DVS.
We're
This
in,
is a Walgreens, you know that,
another
right?
city.
This is a Walgreens.
I just said
This is
Walgreens.
another city, right?
Yeah,
No.
this is Pacoima.
Yeah,
we-
what?
We went from Reseda to Pacoima just to find this piece of shit.
Yeah.
Now let's go purchase it.
Los Angeles Mind Freak Platinum Magic Kit. Over 250 Mind Freak Magic Tricks
How much is it?
you can perform, including Crazy Secrets floating device.
How much is it? $19.99.
No, that's so
Oh, that's
Bakawa Cloud Pillow.
Okay.
Okay, so let's
Wait. That's just a magical cube.
yeah.
You could buy something worth
Nah.
better.
How much is it though? Serious? How much? Yes, $30. Did you have any idea on it? No, serious.
So it's $10.96. Do you need a bag?
Huh?
You need a bag?
Nothing.
You don't have an ID on you? That's just a 10. We need 9 cents. Awkward.
Hey, you parents go.
$1 would do good. It would have to ID me for stoking, huh?
Yep.
I still got the green one on. No, the blue stripe. Thank you.
18.
I got the blue stripe. You know what that means, right?
No.
Oh. Blue stripe means that you're not 18.
When do you turn 18?
Oh, don't tell me that's when I could buy OD. Yeah, if I still have the blue stripe, that's what it means. Later, Pedro. Okay, it's like, I still can't get it even though I showed you my ID.
Are you 18?
But I was trying to work this in one, yeah. Is there a camera like watching right now?
Hey, I have my Mexican ID, but I think it doesn't work here.
Just try it. Here, here's my 5. Here's 5. Go get me a black and mild.
No.
No, let's try it. Serious, let's try it. Let's try it. Go get me a black and mild, yeah?
Dude, it's a Mexican ID.
ID is ID. It doesn't say California. Try it. Just try it.
Ask him.
Let's go together.
Okay. No. Here's the
No,
5. Here's the 5. Just get it from me.
No, let's go together.
Oh, are you gonna pay for it? And then I'll pay back. Hey, I have a question. Hey, bro. There's a Mexican identification one. Mexican ID.
It's a valid ID, yeah.
Mexican.
Can I see it?
This is funny. I'm just trying to get a stove. Does that work? From Encha de Mexico.
It has to be from...
It has to be from California?
No, because this isn't like from Mexico. It's like different.
Electoral, Federal Institute, it's like...
And I can't even sell it to you because he's buying it for you.
But the camera doesn't know that and he'll walk out with it.
So what? I can get in trouble.
Even if he's buying it
Yeah.
with his own money?
Yeah, because he's buying it for you.
How do you know that?
Because he just told me.
Oh, why you lying? Let's go see this, man. We'll take our business to your competition. Let's see if they say no.
CVS is like a prostitute.
No. That's why it's not that bad. Okay. Well, thank you.
They just like
That's kind of fun.
they lost $5.
Well, we tried, so...
No, wait, let's go to CVS.
They lost $5.
They lost $5.
This company right here just lost $5.
This Walgreens on Tampa and...
And will we be back?
The first one they say. That'll be funny if they have a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, that's what we came here for.
And I don't have it.
The fucking racism. We got some fucking racist shit happened like 10 minutes ago on fucking gay ass CVS. Who wants to tell the story?
Okay, yeah, I'll tell it.
Even though he doesn't speak Spanish.
Yeah.
So basically,
We went to the CVS.
To get a black and mild.
A black and mild for this little guy right here.
Little, I'm 17,
guy.
asshole. I'm bigger than you too.
Okay. So we went to the CVS and there was an Indian.
a stupid Indian, a dirty ass Indian.
Dirty ass Indian.
Dirty ass Indian. Not being racist because he was
Yeah.
being racist, so we have the right to
He
fucking
looked like
talk
Mr.
shit.
Hanky. That dirty. That dirty. Mr. Hanky
Yeah.
dirty.
So he asked for ID.
So what happened next?
We handed him the ID. His Mexican one.
In Mexican. So I gave him my ID and he said they couldn't find the...
Date of birth.
He's
Yeah.
like, let me see this fake shit. He's just like, let me get this fake shit. Grabbed it from the other employee's hand and just threw it like, this is some fake shit. And
Yeah,
then
there
he's like,
was some chicks right there.
oh, they're ugly, dog. They're preteens, dog. They had like braces on.
Okay, so continue, Joy.
Okay, so they're looking at like when were you born, the year, and this was like, oh, can I get a vanilla?
How does that make sense?
No, that's what the guy told him after. He's like, what year were you born? And he was like 91. So when you look at it,
There's a barcode right there. There's a code that tells you the actual date that they were born, year, and month.
Yeah, right here.
This is some funny shit.
I don't know if you can see it, but
Right there.
yeah, right
See
there.
the code? No, you can't clear it. Oh, you gotta focus it. Thug life.
Well, it's right there. It doesn't matter, but it's
Okay.
right there.
So right here it says his number is 1003022705705. No, that's the wrong one.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Okay, what matter is
So
it said what year were you born? He was asking him all these questions and he's like 91 December, all this shit, right? And they gave him all the thing. And he was like, oh, this is real, right? And then we're like, yes, we could get black and mild. And we're about to get one. The white boy manager walks in.
yeah.
The white boy
The
manager.
white fucking racist.
Redneck. Redneck is a good term.
Yeah.
Manager.
He saw me and
He was like, oh, I didn't like
yeah,
you from the game.
this fucking Mexican, get out of my store.
Yeah, he's fucking Mexican. It was like, he's like, you have Canadian. What the fuck did you ID this beaner? Did you ID this beaner? And this was like, oh yeah, that guy ID'd him. And then he's like, oh, okay, let me see your ID. Here, like we got ID you again. I can't believe it. Can't believe you're 19.
Yeah, and he said no.
Has to
I
be fucking
need a
Canadian
or
US.
US.
I'm like, damn.
What
a
kind of
white
shit
boy.
is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fucking
Oh,
racist.
I told the Indian guy, like, hey man, don't be racist on him, dog. He's a Mexican. That's a Mexican ID, you know? Like, he didn't believe it. He thought it was fake. Just because we're Mexican.
Yeah,
What a shame.
because
What a flag.
they think Mexican are fake people
And dirty.
and dirty
No,
dirty.
but we're not
Lazy.
dirty.
and lazy.
Indians are fucking nasty, dirty,
They
disgusting.
think we sleep under our hats.
I get that one.
Okay, so
Look at that right there. There's the Indian bitch right there. That's the Indian bitch right there.
No, it isn't.
Okay, so we are going to a gas station store. Small store.
Well, apparently we're gonna have a little montage right now with a gay ass ledge. In camera, it looks pretty small, but it's actually like a 7-star length.
No, it isn't even 7.
That's right. He nollied it.
First try, too.
Well, we'll be back at the episode with the gas station. Stay tuned. And we're back, trying to get a stogie for.
It's actually a black and mild, sir.
Well, same shit, same story.
Black and mild.
All right, so
Black and mild is a blunt.
all right,
Stogie
it doesn't
is a
matter.
cigarette.
All right, now we're on our 5th attempt. We're going to go
You
here.
gotta be low key. You can't like.
Let me get a black and mild. I have a Mexican ID. Aquí. 19 de diciembre del 91. Aquí 91, 12, 19. Y aquí es mi edad, bueno, tenía 18 el año pasado, ahorita 19. 91, 12, 19.
¿Y el año primero?
Sí.
¿What do you recommend?
Vanilla.
Wine, I have wine.
You should get
Wine.
the wine. Yeah.
Yeah.
You should get the wine. That was less funny because I actually gave it to him.
You know why?
Because he wasn't racist.
No, not only that.
He spoke Spanish.
No, not only that. He's low-key Mexican.
He spoke Spanish.
See, it takes a Mexican to get us shit. You can't trust dirty Indians. You can't trust white people. You can only trust your own kind. Success.
In your face, fucking white, racist, faggot.
That was was not funny because he actually gave it to him. Honestly, I didn't think he would get it.